4/7. Okay.
B is 5/9.
5/9. Correct.
2 is
There the denominators are different, so you convert it as like fraction. Or you can use your notebook. Then 5 and
19
4.
over 20.
19 over 20. Yes, correct. Next one.
32.
No, there the LCM is not 32. There are 8 and 4. What is LCM?
16.
No, no.
60.
No, some more small.
Oh, okay. 8.
8 is the LCM because 4 is factor of 8. So 8 is the LCM. So the answer?
5/8.
5/8. Okay, correct. Next one, 3 and 10. What is LCM? 3 and 10. There is no common factors for 3 and 10. So we multiply. If there is no common factors, then we can multiply and find LCM. So 30 is the LCM. So answer is?
Okay, so 29 over 30.
Yes.
Next one. 1/2 plus 2/5 equals.
What is LCM?
10. 9/10.
9/10. Yes, correct. So we can move to question number 3. There are also 4 options.
Okay. 2/3 plus 1, 2 equals. Seven over 6.
That is improper. 7 over 6.
So it makes the form 1 over 1/6.
Yes, okay, correct.
3/5 plus 2/3 equals. $19 over 15, but
So mixed form.
one 4/15.
Yes.
Okay. 5/8 plus 3/4 equals. Okay. Okay. Um, 5/8 plus 3/4 is 8.
Mm.
And okay, it's 11. 8, 11/8, but mixed form is
11/8, okay. Then mixed form is
1/3/8.
okay. 138. Now one more question. Alle? 5/7 plus 2/5.
5/7 plus 2/5 is
LCM എന്താ?
20.
7 and 5. So
35.
35. Yes.
(39/35).
Yes.
But mixed form is 1/4/35.
Yes, correct. Now we can move to this one. That is fourth one. Okay. These where the mixed forms are given. You know how
Okay.
to complete this one?
So
How do you find?
you have to change them into improper fraction, then find the same decimals, then add them.
Or these whole numbers, whole numbers and fractions separately you can add. Okay. Or otherwise you convert and add. Anyway.
Okay, the answer is 4/1/4.
4 1/4. Okay, that is correct. So next one.
31/15, but mixed fraction is
31/15. Yes, that is correct. Then mixed form.
2. Okay.
Two.
0/15.
Not 0, 15. 1 over 15. 31 അല്ലേ? So 2, 15, 30. Remainder 1 വരില്ലേ? 31 over 15 അല്ലായിരുന്നോ?
30.
So 2, 1 over 15.
1/50.
Yes, that's correct. So third one.
Third one. Okay. See ya. 6 times 2 is 12. 13/6 plus 2. 3/2. Okay. So 2. Two over 6, but mixed form is 3/4 over 6.
3.
4 over 6.
Yes. That 4 over 6 we can convert as least form as 2/3.
So
Yes.
3 2/3.
Yes. 3 2/3 is the last answer. Now the next one.
7.
137.
10 7 plus 5. $64 over 35, but mixed form is okay. So 1 over 29 35.
129 over 35.
35.
Yes. Yes. That also correct. Okay, so that addition, different types of questions we have completed. Now we can move to subtraction. Okay, then question number 5, can you see? Question number 5, subtraction. Okay, so 3/4 minus half.
Okay. One quarter.
1/4. Yes, correct.
B is
5/7 minus 2/3.
1/21.
Yes, yes. 1 over 21. Okay, now we can move to one word problem. So you know how to add and subtract the fractions. Okay, so here the seventh question you listen. Seventh one. Can you read that question?
Ted received his pocket money on Friday. He spent 3/5 of his pocket money on games. He spent 1/10 of his pocket money on magazine. What fraction of his pocket money did he have left?
Mm.
What fraction of his pocket money did he have left?
Okay, how can you find?
You have to take away them. Huh?
Mm. Okay, what do you take?
3/5 take away 1/10.
No, then total pocket money that is not given. Alle?
No.
Then from that money he spent 3/5. Then what is remaining there?
5/10.
Hmm? From that
5/10.
no. From that pocket money, first he spent 3/5 of his pocket money on games. Then after spending the money on games, how much balance is there? Suppose the pocket money is 5 over 5. From there, 3/5 he spent.
Mm,
Then what is the remaining amount? From 5/5, we subtract 3/5. That is
5/5 subtract 3/5.
3/5 subtract from 5/5 or 5/5 minus 3/5. That is 5 over 5 minus 3 over 5.
5 over. ഇനിയും പറയാവോ?
Okay, so you listen.
Hello?
We can write in our board. Okay. So suppose the pocket money, that is the full amount, we can take it as 5 over 5. From there, he spends 3/5 of the money. Then what is remaining?
2/5.
2/5. Okay, then from that 2/5, he spends some more money for magazine. That means 1/10 of money. He spends 1/10. Okay, so that 2/5 minus 1/10 we can take. Okay, what is this value? Here for changing this denominator as 10, we can multiply this 5 with 2. So here also 2. That is 4/10 minus 1/10. That is equal to
3/10.
3/10. So the balance amount is
3/10.
3/10. Now you got it? Okay, the same way, can you find the answer of question number 8? You just read.
Question 8.
Okay. Wait a minute. I will present it. ആണല്ലോ. So you just read.
What fraction of his pocket money did he earn? Maisie buys a bag of flour. She uses 1/4 to bake a cake, 2/5 to make a loaf. What fraction of the bag was used? What fraction of the bag of flour is left? Okay.
So to bake the cake and making that loaf, he take 1/4 and 2/5. Okay, so the flour he used we can find by adding that two.
So basically, you can do. So she uses 1/4 to bake a cake, and 2/5 to make a loaf. What fraction of the bag of flour did she use? Flour.
That means we can add that too. For
Okay.
baking cake, 1/4 and for making loaf, 2/5. So 1/4 plus 2/5.
1/4 plus 2/5 equals 13/20.
Yes, okay, that's correct. 13/20. Then what fraction of bag of flour is left?
Take away.
From where?
1/4.
No.
Oh.
The whole.
A whole minus 1/4.
That is 20/20 minus 13/20.
So 20/20 minus
13/20.
13/20.
That is.
So 13/20 plus 20/20.
Here, how much is left? So we subtract. So 20/20 minus 13/20. That 13/20 is the fraction that he used.
Okay, minus. Oh, okay. So 7/20.
Yes, that is correct. 7/20. Now we can move to question number 9. Find the total length of this shape. That is easy.
Find the total. Okay. I'll give you answer. Oh, ഇത് improper ആക്കിയിട്ട് ആഡ് ചെയ്താൽ മതിയല്ലോ.
Yes.
ഒരു സെക്കൻഡ്. Okay, so Okay. 13 times 3. 13 times 3. 39. 71 over 12.
Sorry, once more you say.
71 over 12.
Yes, 71 over 12. Then mixed form is?
Mixed form. Okay. Um, 5, 11, 12.
Yes, 5, 11, 12. 20. 11, 12. 5, 11, 12. Okay. That's correct. Now the next section. We say the addition and subtraction. Next section. Finding a fraction of an amount. Finding fraction of an amount. Now here you listen some examples. 3 by 4 of 20.
So 4 divided by 20 is 5 times 3 is times 3. 15.
15. 20 divided by 4. 20 4 കൊണ്ടാണ് divide ചെയ്യുന്നത്. So 20 divided by 4, that is 5. 5 times 3, 15. Okay. The same way, can you say the next answers? Next answers, can you say?
B. Okay. 3 divided by 60 is 20.
Yes.
Times 2 is 40. Huh?
Yes, that is correct. Next one.
8 divided by 24 is 3 times 3 is 9.
Yes.
D is 150 divided by 3 is 50 times 200.
Yes, 100. Next one.
E. Okay. 9 divided by 180 is 20. Times 2 is 40.
Yes.
Okay. F. 49 divided by 7 is 7. Times 4 is 28.
Okay. 28. Now G.
G. 60 divided by 4 is
15.
15.
So answer
Times
is
1 is 15.
15.
H is 48 divided by 8 is 48 divided by 8.
Okay, say the table of 8. 8. How many 8s are 48?
Oh, 6.
6.
Times 5 is 30.
Yes.
4,000
Hmm.
divided by 8
Hmm. 40 by 8
is
is
500.
yes, 500. 500
500
times 7.
7 is the 35, no, 3,500.
3,500. Okay, very good. Now we can move to question number 2.
Question number 2. There are 600 apples on a tree and there are maggots in 3/5 of them. How many apples have maggots in them?
Hmm. Okay, so how can you find 3/5 of
Oh,
600? Alle?
5 divided by 600 is 120
Hmm.
times 3 is
12 threes. 12 threes are
oh, so 40.
okay, not 4, 12 threes.
12 threes, so
Hmm. 600 by 5.
12 threes are 40 അല്ലേ?
12
Oh,
threes.
4.
No, it is multiplication. 12 times
Oh, 36.
36. Okay, so answer is 360.
Oh,
360 apples. Hmm. Now, question number 3. Can you read?
question number 3. Liz and Lee are traveling in a car from Glasgow to Pole. It's 770 kilometers. At
Hmm.
midday, they had already traveled 5/7 of the total distance. What distance in kilometer had they traveled by midnight?
Hmm.
So 7 divided by 770
Hmm.
is 110
Yes,
times 5
yes.
is 550.
550 kilometer. Okay, so that also correct. Now question number 4. Okay, only 2 more questions. We can complete. Question number 4.
Okay.
Hmm.
Question number 4.
A digital camera.
A digital camera that cost £49 was sold on eBay for 3/7 of the original price. What was the selling price?
Hmm.
Okay, so
3, 7,
7
do
divided
49.
by 49 is 7 times 3 is 21.
Yes. So 21 pounds.
Mm.
Hmm. Now question number 5.
Five. Okay. Yesterday, Thomas had traveled a total of 175 miles.
Hmm.
He had traveled 2/5 of this distance in the morning.
Hmm.
How many miles did he travel during the rest of the day?
Hmm.
So
Okay, there are
5
2.
divided by 175.
Hmm. That is
35
hmm. So 35 times 2. Hmm.
70.
70 kilometer he traveled, or 70 miles he traveled
Miles.
in morning. But here the question, you listen once more. How much distance he traveled during the rest of the day? So in morning he traveled 70 kilometer. Then what is the remaining miles?
20.
Total
30.
total distance is given.
170.
175. From there 70 miles he traveled in morning. So what is the distance he traveled
Now,
during the rest of the day?
70 miles.
175 minus 70. Total distance minus 70.
So 175 minus. Huh?
Total distance 175. In morning he traveled 70. Then what is the
So
distance?
175 minus.
Minus?
100. And then no, 175 minus the total 35.
No. Then 2/5 of 175, you find it as 70 എന്നല്ലേ കണ്ടത്?
Oh.
So 175 minus that 70. That is
105.
105 miles he traveled in the rest of the time. Rest of the day.
Oh.
You got it? Okay, now the next one.
Deborah received 15 £15 pocket money on Saturday. She spent a third of her pocket money on magazines. She spent 2/5 of her money on a necklace. How much of the £15 did she have left? So how much does she have left?
Okay. What do you think? Can you find?
So a third of 15. We need to check. So 3 divided by 15 is 5 times 1
5.
is 5. So 5. Okay. And then so the £5 ആണോ?
No. Then he spent some money for that necklace. How much?
So 5 divided by 15 is 3 times 2 is 6.
So total how much money he spent?
£11.
11. Okay, what is left?
£4.
4 pounds. Okay, so 4 pounds. That is the answer. 4 pound is the correct answer.
Oh.
Okay, so we have completed the two type of questions: addition, subtraction, and a fraction of an amount. So in next class, we can do multiplication and division of fraction. Okay, that worksheets we can complete on next day. Okay, today this much only. Okay. Okay, then Jolie.